Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how quickly you can fix the flickering issue on Windows 11 laptop or PC. So let's start without wasting our time. First of all, open the device manager from here. And if you are not able to open the device manager from here, you have to go to the safe mode on your system. How you can go to the safe mode? Let me show you. Forcefully shut down your system 2 to 3 times, or you can go to here, system settings, and then look for the options recovery, and you will see here advanced startup. Restart your system into advanced recovery mode, and then you can see the options there. This option, troubleshoot, advanced options, and then you can see the option startup setting here, like this, startup setting. And then you can click on the option restart, and once you click on restart, then click on the options which says here F4 with enable safe mode, and just log in with the same ID and username and open the device manager here, and then look for your device driver, the display driver. Right click, go to its properties, click on driver and click on rollback driver. Rollback driver, sometime due to the new Windows update and driver, can cause the issue of flickering. That is the reason it is showing up here. Rollback driver will fix your issue instantly. But if this is not working, then you can click on uninstall the driver, this option uninstall, and once you uninstall it, just restart your Windows. I'm not going to uninstall it since my video is running, that is the reason, but you can uninstall it and then it will automatically install the correct driver on your system. So this is a video guys, and if still not working, then it may be the hardware issue with your screen. And I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.